Hi, welcome to the Crime Chronicle channel. Today, in this video...
The vehicle now! Exit the vehicle! Get your hands up now! Get your... Stop running! He's got a gun! Cover up! Get on the ground! Fuck. You okay?
Officers with the Marion County Sheriff's Office attempt to make contact with a Hispanic male on a bicycle, wearing a backpack and ball cap, traveling down a residential street. As officers block his path with patrol vehicles, the suspect attempts to flee northbound on foot.
Can't run the guy over.
Okay.
You better stop.
He's going northbound. He's going northbound. Get on the ground. Cover up. Get on the ground. Fuck. You okay? You alright? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Don't move. Don't move. Get your hand behind your back.
I'm good.
The hand behind your back. All of them. Okay. Shots fired. Shots fired. Guns right here.
We got it. We got it. We got it.
We got him. Copy all. What's that? Oh, you bitch! Step back. Oh.
No.
Okay. Yeah,
Detain him.
He's the guy. Don't let him leave. Don't let him leave.
Let him leave.
He's good. He's a witness. Witness. Don't let him leave.
Can you start EMS? Clinton Mead. 10-4 Clinton Mead, and just to confirm the
You okay?
I'm okay. You all right?
Yes.
He's gonna be okay. He has a cut on his ear. Suspect is.
Where's he at? We need to get some gloves on here. Start getting ready.
Yeah.
He's definitely been shot.
Everybody slow down. Get traffic blocked at Clinton Clipper.
He's hit here.
Get traffic blocked at...
Okay, we need medical attention for him.
No southbound.
Anyone got medical gear with them?
Car at Carl and Clinton.
This guy shot?
Yeah, he's shot. We need medical right now.
During the chase, the suspect reaches toward his waistband. Shots are fired. The suspect is hit, and a firearm is recovered near him. Officers immediately call for EMS and begin coordinating medical aid. A witness on scene is also identified and held for further questioning.
Over. You better stop. He's running.
Morris right now.
He's grabbing his waistband. Shot fired. Are you okay?
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Don't move. Don't move.
You're bleeding. You're bleeding.
I'm good.
The hand behind your back. All of them. Okay, shots fired. Shots fired. Guns right here.
Shot fired.
What's that? Fuck you, bitch!
No.
Okay, no,
Detain him.
don't let him leave.
Don't let him leave.
He's a witness. Don't let him leave.
Can you start EMS? Clinton Mead. 10-4 Clinton Mead, and just to confirm.
You okay?
I'm okay. You all right?
Yes.
He's gonna be okay. He has a cut on his ear. Suspect is down.
We need to get some gloves on him. Start getting ready.
Yeah.
He's definitely been shot.
Everybody slow down. Get traffic blocked at Clinton and Clipper. No traffic northbound. Get traffic blocked at Avenue
we need
A.
medical attention for him.
No southbound.
Anyone got medical gear with them?
Another car at Carl and Clinton.
This guy shot?
Yeah, he's shot. We need medical right now. He's got a backpack on, ball cap, male Hispanic with a goatee. We're going to step out with him coming up on the force here in a moment.
He's gonna freak.
Just pull in front of him. Block him. Block him so he can't
I
ride down.
can't run the guy over.
Okay.
You better stop.
He's going northbound. Get on the ground. Cover up. Get on the ground.
The suspect is detained and receives immediate medical attention at the scene after sustaining a gunshot wound. A firearm is recovered beside him, confirming the officer's justification for use of force. A civilian witness is held for questioning and cooperates with the investigation. The suspect is expected to face felony weapon-related charges following recovery.
Colorado Springs 911, what is the exact location of the emergency?
Hi, ma'am. I'm in front of the mansion in downtown Colorado Springs. It's the mansion, the club. I'm in the parking lot of 19 Avenue 19.
Okay, and that's in front of the mansion? Is that correct?
Yes, I'm in the parking lot right now. There's an individual with it looks like a semi-automatic weapon, a black male, in the parking lot. He's screaming at some people, and he has a weapon on the side of him.
Okay. And, was he doing anything with the weapon? Did he raise it at all, or is it just on his side?
It's in his hand. He's screaming at a group of individuals right now, with it in his hand, like in a threatening manner.
Okay. I do have a call started here. Just to confirm, so that gun I know you said is in his hand. Does he have it pointed at people, or is it pointed at the ground?
It's like literally in his hand, like if he was like, it's in low ready, like it's like he's saying comments to these individuals, a group of people, like if he was going to shoot this place up. And everybody's intoxicated over here downtown.
Okay, gotcha. So it's not pointed like directly at them, but it's not pointed at the ground either. Is that correct?
No.
Okay.
Yes, that's correct. It is a rifle. It's not a pistol or anything like that.
Okay. What is your first and last name? I do have a call started here.
Yeah, I'm trying to leave the parking lot right now. I'm not staying here just because I saw the weapon already.
Okay. And then describe that weapon. You said it was a semi-automatic rifle. Is that correct?
Yep. It looks like an M4.
Just so you're aware, it does look like we do have some officers on the way there now.
Oh, what's going on?
She pays the bills. What the fuck are you talking about?
Okay. Does anybody have a gun? No. Oh, why is that guy saying it's a domestic?
Who said ain't no domestic going on, but they're arguing.
Do you over here
they're arguing,
slamming
bro.
doors on us trying to fucking find you?
They're arguing.
She works with Josh's police. She works for CSPD.
All right.
They're arguing, bro. That's it. That's all that's going on.
Okay. Her name is Officer Sony.
We got it under control. I promise.
She works for you.
So nobody wants to report anything?
No, we're good,
okay.
bro.
All right, guys, make good decisions.
We will.
All right.
Place! Whatever it is, someplace else.
Whatever it is.
Oh, my mama, stop playing, you dumbass bitch.
Bro, you're not helping. Just walk away.
We've been trying to de-escalate.
I know, bro. May keep going, I get it. But thank you.
Yeah.
At this point, the tension is escalating. Officers are still assessing the crowd, but one unit reports the suspect has returned to the white Mercedes and is now hiding behind the door. The moment marks a tactical shift from public questioning to visual containment. Officers slow their approach, anticipating movement or armed resistance.
TC-10 to the George units. That guy went back into the white Mercedes and everybody's scattered. He's hiding behind the door.
Copy. Just a little bit slow. Two sparks coming back towards us. George 23, you have the gun. Good one. Channel be code one information. Yeah, the orange chat. Better to get out of the black box.
And gun extended max.
Put your fucking hands up. Hey, put your hands up. Get your hands up now.
I swear.
Get the, stop running. He's running a gun. Get your hands out of your hand pockets now. Put your fucking hands up. Hey, put your hands up. Get your hands up now.
I swear.
Get the, stop running. He's running a gun. Get your hands out of your hand pockets now. Get your hands out. He's got the gun right here.
Give us space.
You guys got it?
Yep, it's right here.
Okay, here. Wait, hold on. Let me put on gloves.
Yeah, that would be
I got it. Hold this. No.
The suspect is detained without further resistance after a brief pursuit. A semi-automatic rifle with an extended magazine is recovered at the scene. Officers do not discharge their weapons and no injuries are reported. The suspect is expected to face multiple firearm-related felony charges. Responding officers followed tactical protocols and preserved the weapon for evidence. Responding officers are in pursuit of a suspect vehicle, reportedly driving erratically and attempting to avoid contact. During the encounter, the vehicle strikes another car pulling into a driveway on 42nd Street.
Just hit another car pulling up in the driveway, going westbound on 42nd. All the road going through Phillips westbound. He hit my car. Yeah, 10-4. He almost hit me with the car.
Sorry for a second there.
Wrecked out again.
You're managing supervisor.
Get out! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
He crashed out.
Show me your hands right now! Show me your hands!
Your call has been updated. Your call has been updated.
On you, 1033.
Right hand! Put your right hand up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Everybody slow down. We got enough out here.
Hey, get your hand up.
Show me your hands!
Your call has been updated.
Get your hands up! Go!
The suspect crashes after a reckless attempt to flee and refuses to show his hands. Officers maintain control, give repeated commands, and contain the scene without firing a single shot. No injuries are reported, and charges are expected.
Yeah, Florida 24 Bravo Echo Charlie Whiskey on a silver Kia. I know not this.
1050 westbound, Kamala, 24 Bravo, Echo Charlie Whiskey.
Yes, sir.
Is there a reason why you're popping the door open like that?
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. Two things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
It's daylight. I don't need the lights. And it's not weather. It's not raining.
Oh, this is inclement?
It's not raining.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you why I'm pulling you over. Give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No, call your supervisor. Why?
Excuse me?
Call your supervisor. Why did you pull me over?
27, 35. I'm proper driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle.
An officer initiates a traffic stop on a silver Kia with a Florida tag due to driving without headlights during inclement weather and failure to wear a seatbelt. The driver questions the stop, demands a supervisor, and refuses to comply. When ordered to step out, he slams and locks the door. Despite repeated commands and warnings, the suspect remains non-compliant, prompting officers to break the window and take him into custody. No weapons are drawn, and no injuries are reported.
Okay. Okay. Right now you're under arrest for resisting. You understand? You're under arrest for resisting. The longer you take us on, the worse it's going to be. Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Okay. Sir, this is your last warning to open the vehicle and exit before we're going to break the window. Open the door and exit, or we are going to break the window. Open the door and exit, or we are going to break the window.
Well, we're conducting a traffic stop right now. You need to comply.
No, he's under arrest.
Hey, I'll lock the car. I'm going to push it up.
Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting.
Can you unlock the door and step out? I will. Can you step out? You're being done. There's a traffic stop being conducted. You're required to comply.
Vehicle's blocked in.
Yes.
He's locked it up. Put the window down.
Correct.
I tried to talk to
Huh? Okay. So what did he ask for when he, I guess,
when he pulled me over, he walked up, opened my door, my window don't work, right? And then I said, so what I did wrong?
Yeah.
He said, well, for one, your headlights are off under this weather. I'm like, there's multiple people headlights off.
Okay, that's still a
and then there's no rain.
It doesn't matter. You're still required to have headlights on.
Can you pull that law up?
Huh?
Can you pull that law up?
Yeah, when you step out of the car, I will.
Hey.
Can you call your supervisor?
Huh?
Can you call your supervisor?
All right, go for it.
Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle! Show me your hands.
Here.
1033 at 16.1 hours.
What is your reason, sir? What is your reason?
Step out now. All right.
No, don't fucking get on the ground.
Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! What's wrong with you?
What you mean? I was putting my hands behind my back. I was on.
Ain't no talking now, man. Ain't no talking.
What's going on, man?
You're under arrest. That's what's going on.
No, bro.
Yes, bro. Yes.
That's a lawful reason, bro. You look on the phone like that, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off of you, bro.
Yeah.
And I'm just trying to have a regular conversation with y'all, bro.
That's not how it works.
When they asked me to step out of the vehicle, you should have done that shit. So your partner didn't even ask.
Marijuana in his right pocket.
Yes, it is. So why close the door if you see him pull up? Because, man, what you mean? He talking about arresting me and stuff, but I didn't do nothing.
Oh, no resisting, idiot.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
I don't know.
Can you back me up to the car and clean up? You a busting that shit, bro.
You start rescue. 1067. Approximately 30-year-old Bravo Mike. Last race.
I did.
There you go.
I know. You should push the door one.
No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What's your name?
The driver is arrested after resisting repeated commands during a traffic stop. Officers break the window after multiple verbal warnings and take the suspect into custody without injury. No weapons are used, and the suspect faces charges related to obstruction and non-compliance during a lawful stop. Thanks for watching this full breakdown. If you found the video informative, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. We post real police footage and 911 call analyses to show how quickly these scenes unfold and which decisions matter most. Let us know in the comments which part of this incident stood out to you the most.